Greetings of the day, and here I am today to share an amazing feature of Gemini that we can actually make the best use of for our little ones, right? Everybody talks of about creating content for students, for making lesson plans, but have you ever thought of that we can do something really amazing for our little ones as well? So let's get started here. I'm going to share my screen and will show you the beautiful feature of Gemini that I have used in a little different way to create content for my students, right? Because I'm a early childhood care and educator. So first I took the picture of the book of letter B, right? Here I have attached that. So once we come into Gemini, you just need to click on this plus sign and click on upload file. So whatever file you want to attach, you can just attach over here. So I clicked the picture earlier, as I mentioned, and I have attached that. And then after that, I gave a a prompt over here, as in create a rhyme using the words given in the picture. So it created a rhyme, but I did not like it much. And then it was in the picture format. And though I needed the text only, so what I did, I just gave another prompt, as in reduce the difficulty level of rhyme and create a song using simple rhyming words. Do not generate image. I just need a response in the text format, right? So here I got a beautiful song for my little ones in a very simpler way. Very simple words are there. And if you see, whatever words are here, right? Like boy, bag, boy, box, book, balloon, basket, bird, belt, all these words are there in the picture. So it has picked up all the words that are there in the picture that is actually in my course book for my students, right? So now what I have done next, I've got the song over here. The lyrics are here with me. Now I need to convert it into a song. So since, as I told you, Gemini has come up a very beautiful feature, as in we can create music also. So you just need to start with a new chat and click on create music. Since I have already created the music, so I'll just show you the interface there. So once you click on create music, right? So a new page will get open, and there you can just paste your song, whatever you have created earlier. So I modified it again because there is a limit over here that the song duration will not be more than 30 seconds. So I have reduced the length of the song over here, whatever lines were repeating again and again, and then have just given a text, a prompt over here, as in cover the entire song in 30 seconds. So this is my modified version, right? And now here I got the song. So I'll just play here.
A little boy has a blue bag. He puts a book inside a box. He carries a balloon and a bat. A bird sits on a basket. A basket, a basket. He wears a brown belt on his waist. That's the letter B, B, B. B, B, B.
So that was the song that was created in a beautiful manner. And say if you want to share it with your students, so it gives you the download option also. You just need to click on this download icon and you can download it as a video format with the cover page, or you can just download it as an audio playback also, and then share it with your students in your LMS, in your Google Classroom, in the WhatsApp group of the parents, where they can make them practice this on a regular basis, and they will enhance their vocabulary, right? So please hit the like button if you really like this feature of Gemini and my idea of implementing the same for the little ones, right? So hope to see you soon for the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.